Alright, YouTube, I want to hit y'all again with another video this morning. I wanted to show y'all what I picked up a few days ago. Um, I picked up this kit, this 1930 Packard Roadster by Linberg. Now this kit was manufactured in, let's see, this kit was manufactured in 1990. It's a 1/32 scale. So I didn't know the difference in the scales. Like I say, I'm still learning, and I didn't know that this would be smaller uh, than the bigger the number, bigger the scale number, the smaller. I didn't know that. So now I know. But anyway, um, this is one of the kits that I bought. And I got it for a real good price. I be on a strict budget when I'm messing with these kits because it can become expensive, and if I can't afford it, I don't buy it. So that's one of them. I'm not gonna open this one. I'm gonna keep it for a display piece, and I'm gonna show you why in a minute. So this is the car that originally caught my eyes. And I was like, this would be an interesting kit to build. Like I said, once again, I didn't know it was a 1/32 scale, but it's all good. It's a nice looking car. It's a classic English sports car by MPC. And they also said it has golden wheels as a bonus inside, also with a figure. Now this kit was manufactured in 1982. So we talking about what, almost 41 years old kit. And I have more kits, 1/24th, 1/25th scale. That's about the same age. But this kit hasn't been opened up since then in about 41 years. So I took the wrapper. I took the wrapper off for today, and I cut the package open inside. Just so I can save a little time. But it's only one package inside. I'm going to unbox this, but let me show you the next one. So this is what originally caught my eye. Now, a lot of you guys may be interested in, well, I know you have to be because you in the hobby life. But look at that, KB toy store, $1.99. It was the regular price $3.49. It was on sale for $1.99 in the KB toy store. KB toy store, the old toy store, along with Toys R Us. But when I first saw this kit, this is the next thing that caught my attention. I'm like, I gotta have this kit. So I bought this kit first. Well, no, I bought the first two kits first, and what happened was I noticed that the other kit like this didn't have the tag on it. And I asked the lady that I bought it from, I asked her if she peeled the tag out, and she said, "Oh no, I have another one." So they basically went out of their way to try to get me the one that had the KB Toy Store sticker on it. So I ended up with both of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this one just to show you guys, because I hadn't seen an unboxing video on it. I don't know, but I'm going to use when I build this one, I'm going to use this one as a display piece, and I'm going to set the model in front of it. and the other kit I'm not going to open it at all. So let me run through this right quick. Now keep in mind, well, I just opened it and I hadn't went through it, but this kit been like this since about 41 years ago. So the packaging was still in good shape, and I even the box, man, the box smells. It has that old smell to it, the inside of it. Yeah, but the plastic's still in good condition. Everything is in good condition. I don't know these parts, so I'm not gonna even attempt to name all the parts. But you see, and it's in blue styrene, so well, you see, you have your seats and it's like some car springs. There's the figure man, the driver, his arms like a door. Like that's the steering wheel, that's the rear end, front end. Small pieces. All right, this is your subframe. It has your fuel tank and all the other goodies that goes underneath. And these are tiny pieces. Too small for my hands. Here's the fenders, firewall. What is this? Looks like, let me see if I could possibly figure out some of these parts. Okay, so uh, these are the headlight housings right here. Alright, so here's the wheels and the wheel backings. I gotta paint the wheels. Man, I gotta paint them black. And then I gotta paint the spokes. I mean, I'm gonna have to mask this off because it don't come out. This would definitely have to be hand painted, and I don't do a lot of hand painting. But man, the tires have some writing on it. What did it say? Reinforced. Your hood, long nose hood. Like we might have the flooring. Man, I don't know why it's so hard for this camera to focus. It hasn't been doing this. Anyway, maybe we can close up on it. Put another, just like the back or something. And here's some more pieces. This look like it might be the dashboard here. Look like the trunk lid. Here's your driver. From here, it look like he been tied up with his hand behind his back. That's a broken piece. That look like that could be the dash with the clusters and the gauges. I don't know, y'all, but man, I didn't see no kind of engine on here. Don't look like it. I'll skip it. Well, you know, these engines wasn't much of. They were single. I guess you could say single cylinder engines. No, there's not much of an engine here. So yeah, and this is again a classic English sports car. So I don't know. I don't see. I don't even know what kind of car it is. The actual brand or anything. I guess it's just MG Classic Sports Car. I guess I do my research on see what the MG stands for. If anybody knows anything about this model, let me know. And it said they're supposed to have gold wheels. Didn't that package say it's got gold wheels in it? Yeah. Special golden wheels bonus. C side panel. Collect golden wheels. Tokens and earn the bonus. Oh man, you gotta earn the wheels, the gold wheels. Yeah. Whatever. We got our clear pieces too. For the lights in the windows. The windshield has the wipers already on it. Let's take a peek at these instructions right quick. Oh, well, here it is right here. The golden MPC golden opportunity sweepstakes. I hadn't heard that word in a long time. Sweepstakes. I remember everything had something to do with sweepstakes back in the day. Well, y'all, there's y'all golden opportunity. Y'all think this offer still stands on the table? Oh, man. I don't think so. Think I should fill it out and send it to him just to see? For only 30 tokens plus $1 for handling and postage, you can select for only 20 tokens. You get your Firebird 125th scale. Well, y'all, should I fill out the form and get the golden opportunity? I don't know. All right, man. Anyway, enough of that. this is subframe. It's your interior console. Man, this car has yet to say anything about an engine, and it don't have an engine to it. Yeah, so this gonna be a push bucket. Ain't got no engine. No engine, fellas, no engine. Imagine that. No engine. That's it. Alright, y'all, that's it and that's all. I done gave y'all 2 videos today. Alright, so let me go ahead and tell y'all about the Mustang. Oh man. Um I just primed it down again last night. I have stripped it twice. I will explain to you guys in the finish video when I'm done with it. I'm gonna go sand on it a little bit right now because when I primed it last night, for whatever reason, that still didn't come out right. I think it was because I was in a rush. I've been so ready to get this car done because it really don't take that long to do it. I have the chassis and stuff done already. I just need to finish this car. The only detail work the engine bay. I couldn't get it right in the and around the headlight housing. It's supposed to be black. So anyway, I've been I will have to explain to you guys once I show the car. All right, y'all. So that's it and that's all. Y'all have seen the MG Classic English Sports Car. If anybody out there knows anything, any more information about this kit, what does the MG stand for? Y'all let me know. Comment, let me know. Let me know what y'all think about this kit. But it's definitely going to be a display piece. And I'm going to sit this one on the shelf. When I build this one, I'm going to sit in the front of that. And I am going to go along with the box art that's on it. And I'm going to display this one as well. Now, Linberg, they also had a 32 Chrysler kit, 31 Cadillac kit. I would have loved to have that 32 Cadillac. And of course the Packard, and they had the Lincoln. So yeah. So if y'all know anything about these kits, y'all let me know. That's it and that's all. I'm out, y'all.